You searched how to buy shares of Under Armour Inc., so here is a short walkthrough. Under Armour is a U.S. athletic apparel and footwear company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker UAA, and this is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, which typically requires an identity document, and you will need to add funds before buying. Use the platform's search field and type the ticker UAA to locate the listing. Make sure the search result shows Under Armour Inc. and the NASDAQ exchange before proceeding. On the asset page, you can view basic company information and a price chart to check recent movement. Confirm the name, ticker, and exchange to ensure it is the correct stock. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, and choose order type, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when the market reopens. And if your balance is insufficient, the platform will ask you to add funds before confirmation. After execution, your Under Armour position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to open an account and follow this example.